Hello, streamer. Do you want to show the current time? That's the wrong corner. Do you want to show the current date and time on your stream? Or maybe you want to show a countdown like this here, for example, until your stream starts. Today I'm going to talk about Snaz, which is an application which allows you to do these things. It's only available for Windows, unfortunately, but if you have a Windows PC and you run OBS, Streamlabs, or any other streaming program which allows you to input text files, you can easily do this. Alright, so first things first, we are going to install Snaz. There's a link in the description which will bring you to this website, which is a GitHub website. And if you don't know how it works, basically they have some download links on here. You just click download Snaz, and you download the most recent release, which is this one. Install it, put it somewhere on your PC where you know you'll be able to find it. And then just open it. After you've downloaded and installed Snaz, you're greeted with this window right here. So you have three options in this tab, which are the time, date, and the countdown to a specific time option. And these three options are basically what most of you will need. The way this works is basically it generates this current output into a text file, and that is something you can use in OBS. For example, if you want to show your time, you have an option to change the output format here, and you have some options here to change that around. Basically, as you can see, if I just delete this completely, you can see the live output as well. And then you see if I want to change this up to hour and then minutes, for example, then it will change it to this. So it doesn't show the seconds. So if I want to add the seconds, I can just do it like this. And then you have the seconds as well. What you want to do is you want to copy this and you put it in OBS. So basically what we want is we go to this specific folder in OBS when we open our text sources. So let's go to OBS and I'll see you in a second. Alright, so we're here in OBS, so let's show you how you can put these text files in. Let's see if you can just do this. There we go, you can just drag and drop it. So basically here are all the options you have. It's chrono down, chrono up, countdown, date, line changer, system info, and time. Well, most of you will probably use the time, date, and the countdown. So you can also use the chrono up and chrono down, which are these, which will basically allow you to count up or count down basically to a specific number or count down from a specific number. The countdown you see here is basically countdown to a specific time, which is probably what most of you will use because probably most of you will have a scheduled stream. For example, my stream mostly starts at 8 p.m. CET on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you are there. What you can do with this is basically count down to that specific time. For example, right now it's counting down to 22:30 or 10:30 p.m. There's multiple things you can do with this. Of course, we have all of these. So what you do is you can fill in these settings here. And then go to this folder, which is for me is this one. It might differ for you, it depends on what you have set up here. And then you can just drag these into OBS. What you can also do with this, in case you don't know, you can change the font as well, which you can do like here. For example, I use Abolition for my stream training font, so I would change it up to this. And if it shows a bad resolution like this, you can just go into select font. You can increase the size here. I recommend to do 256 if possible. If you have big fonts there, as you can see, that's nice. So I would basically put it somewhere in the corner if we have a countdown, or maybe here because my camera is in the way. And that's a way basically for you to have a countdown on your screen towards a stream or whatever. This is also another tip that I have. If you have this problem where some of the fonts cut off, you just basically put a space and a space behind. And then it should be fixed, as you can see. Yep. The date and time will also be there. So for example, if I make this bigger now, you can see it's a bit pixelated. So in that case, just go into properties again, select the font and change the size to 256 in this case. That's a good size to have. So there you go. That's basically how you do this. And then you have a date, a time, and a countdown on your stream. Let's also talk about these chronos. They are also pretty fun, so let's drag these two in. They won't show because they don't have any inputs yet. So let's count down from 10 minutes, shall we? So in case you want to do a countdown, but you're late, for example, for your stream, you can also set up the chrono down, which basically means that whenever you go live, you press the start button. So let's start the button here. There we go. We should get some text. There we go. So as you can see now, it's just starting down from 10 minutes. Again, change the font if you need to, change the size if you need to. if it's pixelated. So the chrono up counts up, so I don't know why you might want to use this, maybe for like a speed run or something, but then I would recommend using another application. We'll get into that later. If I have a video up for it, I'll make sure to put a card into this one. Basically, if you press the start button right now here in Snaz, it will start a countdown or a count that goes up. So basically there you go, the chrono up. It's basically so you know how much time has passed since a certain point. So this is how you use Snaz. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments below. Snaz is a really great program. It's free. Download link is below again. I hope this was useful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out here. And thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend. Alright, and this is also Epi from the future. I just want to tell you, I also have a great Discord server. If you want to join over there, I will be giving daily streaming tips. I will be able to even give you a stream review. So make sure to hop into the Discord. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!